Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy. I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your chillest list. Today I have great news for you guys, especially Orlando Pirates supporters and Orlando Pirates as a whole. Orlando Pirates has just confirmed the signing of Kabelo Khositsile from Baroka FC, Baroka Bakhaga. We know the relationship between Baroka and the Orlando Pirates. It comes from a long way, whereby Orlando Pirates have been signing most of the best players from Baroka, guys. If we can still remember, also Mahopa is from Baroka FC. So Baroka, they have this style of producing beast in the Betway Premiership. So yes guys, Orlando Pirates, they have confirmed the signing of the left-footed player who will be playing as a right wing. Yeah. Yes guys, so what do you think about the signing of this player? We all know that this player gave Pirates problems. Yes, I still remember that they met Orlando Pirates. He was playing the left. He started the match on the right and then he went to the left, whereby he gave Orlando Pirates problems. I think he scored in that game. So yes guys, so now Orlando Pirates, they were like, no, this boy is very talented, we are going for this boy. So now he is at the Orlando Stadium. He will be playing for the Orlando Pirates by at August, uh, after the season, and by the end of the season that player will be going to the Orlando, guys. So yes guys, these are the great news that I have for us. We know that Orlando Pirates, they didn't sign any players in the transfer window. So now, in the middle of the season, Orlando Pirates, we are hearing already that they're signing this boy Kabelo Khositsile, guys. These are the great news, guys. I mean, we saw that this boy he can really do it, guys. So why not? I mean, Orlando Pirates have been really doing well, guys. Even their signings, how they sign players, and I think let's give it to Jose Rivero and his management, guys, and the scouting as well. We really appreciate their work. But we know that there were some of the players that came to Orlando Pirates and then left. I mean, the likes of Vieira Gibele. I think Orlando Pirates, they will be looking to sell him this season, because you see now that they are introducing another winger. So also there's another situation of Saleng, Monapule Saleng, guys. I wanted to ask you guys, I have a question. Do you think Monapule Saleng will be in the Orlando Pirates starting lineup if Orlando Pirates are signing this boy? Because as you can see, that Orlando Pirates are using the Cocomelon, the young players, guys, and obviously we need to make sure that we are fit enough for the upcoming years, the coming years, the next years, the 2026, 27, so and so on, guys. So yeah, so Orlando Pirates need to be ready each and every time when they go and play the tournaments, and also if they continue their form and then they do well, there are possibilities that they find themselves playing in the Club World Cup. So they really need to make sure that they boost their squad going to the end of the league. So after they boost their squad, next year they will do better, guys. So yeah, that's how I think. But this boy is a good signing for Orlando Pirates, and we really want to see these guys really finding a good potential to get players who we know that they will deliver in the big stages of the tournaments of the league. And yes, guys. So yeah, we need players who have confidence. I mean, what I can say about this boy is that I saw that he has speed and his ball control. He's a player that you can build a team on around that boy. So yeah, guys, I really think that Orlando Pirates have really did a good job bringing that boy home, guys. So yes, guys. So how do you think that boy will lineup in the Orlando Pirates, guys, because we know that also there's Saleng. That boy, I think, is a replacement for Saleng, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know that Saleng, Orlando Pirates love Saleng, and we will always support him and give him that love that we have for him. But then, I mean, let's face reality, guys. Saleng has not been featured in many games now, and if you can check that Saleng, he played in the Bafana Bafana last time, but then he came back and he didn't play in the Orlando Pirates. So I mean, so now after a few days, we hear that Orlando Pirates are signing another left-footed player who will be playing in the right wing. And of course, we know that that boy, he's really gonna fight for the position. And I mean, Orlando Pirates gave him a 5-year deal, guys. 5-year deal. That shows that that boy is staying at the Orlando Pirates, and shows that they really trust him, and they've been looking at him, and they've been studying that boy, that how are they gonna put him in the position. So here's how I think Orlando Pirates are gonna use that boy, especially if they play him. They play Katlego Kgotsile in the right wing, and then they play Maswanganyi attacking midfield, and then Relebohile Mofokeng. Then Makgopa will be our striker. So that's how they're gonna use him, because they know that he can dribble, and then he can also make those crosses, put those crosses inside for Makgopa or for Mabasa to score. So he has that potential. So obviously Jose Rivero is the best coach, so he will make sure that that boy, he gets a starting lineup, and he will make sure that he use that boy, just like he always makes sure that they use the players that he always go and buy them. Like he said that he's going to make sure that they get the players that they need to reinforce the squad, because he said that they can't bring players even if they can still see that the squad is a beast squad, like it's a pauper squad, but they still want to buy players. So he prefers that he plays with who he has. He plays with the squad that he has, and so that he win the games for Orlando Pirates, guys. So a good signing for Orlando Pirates, guys. We'll see at the end of the season, that boy will be in the Orlando Pirates jersey, guys. So yes, I'm a Buccaneer. We will be really waiting to see that boy in the field, guys. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the chillest analyst.